How to enable dark mode on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable dark mode on YouTube. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube app on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select gear icon tap at the top right corner to access the settings section. Under Accounts, choose General at top of the screen. Now locate Appearance option and select that. A menu box pops up where you need to select the appearance on the 3 style. You can either choose the device theme, light theme or dark theme. To enable dark mode on YouTube, select dark theme and automatically within a second the theme gets changed and we can successfully enable dark mode on YouTube. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.